right, so we're right. Oh, pinging in that thing. So this is probably an RC390, so lower CCs to get that. Oh, whoa. I forgot about that part. All right, braking. Just, the braking is not going to stop you in time. It's just not going to stop you in time. So we're going to be focusing on speeding, ego, and positioning. I want you guys to write in the comments what you think it was when it came to the stages they are in, okay? We're going 76. I don't know exactly what, if it's kilometers. I'm assuming it's kilometers, but we're going 76. I truly believe ego was a part of it. You know, you're getting those endorphins going, and you're just like, I'm going to gun it, gun it, gun it. So I believe that's what happened here. So right there, he's going to do a full pin on that. He's going to go ahead and crank it down full throttle. So we're maximizing as much power to that rear wheel as possible. But we have a turn coming up. We have hazards coming up. So are you able to stop in time? Are you able to swerve in time? I don't know. I don't know. Positioning plays a huge portion of that. So now we're going to talk about positioning. Are we in a good position right now? Well, yeah, if we could totally go straight, but it looks like this person right here is coming into our lane. So now we have to do something. So you're gonna have to swerve, guys. You're just gonna have to swerve. Can you do it at this speed? When was the last time you practiced your swerving? These are all questions I want you guys to ask yourself. A lot of people are saying white stage, brown stage, yellow stage. I truly believe he was in yellow stage, zoned in until this last second, and then he did a brown stage where he got a little poo-poo in his pantalones, and I believe that's what happened. I think he just kind of panicked and ran straight into him instead of doing a red stage maneuver of swerving. It's as simple as that.